3 easy desserts, almost no effort. And honestly, the hardest part is choosing your favorite one. Let's make them. First up is my favorite lazy day dessert, a Nutella lava cupcake. 3 ingredients: an egg, flour, and Nutella. Adding all to 1 cup and mix until smooth. Then pop it straight into the oven for about 15 minutes. The outside becomes soft and cakey, while the center stays warm, rich, and wonderfully gooey. My second dessert is a banana bread that will save every overripe banana in your house. Step 1. Just mash 3 very ripe bananas into the bowl till smooth and creamy. Step 2. Add 2 eggs and mix everything together. Step 3. Pour in the melted butter, a few drops of vanilla extract, and some milk. Give it a good stir until everything is well combined. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. Add the sugar, flour, baking powder, and baking soda. Then mix one last time until you have a smooth batter. Pour the batter into a loaf pan and spread it evenly. For the final touch, sprinkle some chocolate chips on top. Bake for about 35 minutes or until golden brown and beautifully risen. And trust me, this banana bread is unforgettable. It's soft, moist, fluffy, and filled with rich banana flavor. Once you take the first bite, you'll understand why this recipe is always a favorite. And my last dessert for today is a perfect treat for a hot summer day. All you need is a large ice cube tray, some yogurt, chocolate, and your favorite berries. Simply place the berries into the ice cube tray and spoon with yogurt. Then chop up some chocolate. Melt it until smooth and pour it generously over the top, sealing everything in. Once that's done, place the tray in the freezer for about 45 minutes. And that's it. When they're frozen, you'll have the most amazing little bites, creamy, fruity, chocolatey, and incredibly refreshing. They look absolutely beautiful and super satisfying to eat.